Today we're going to be considering this problem from a Stanford mathematics competition, which reads as follows. A volume uses 1,890 digits to number its pages. How many pages does it have? Take a couple seconds to try this out for yourself. Then we'll do some hints, then we'll get on with the proof. Cool, so for some hints, you should try to check how many digits are used in certain well-defined ranges. That is, up to a certain number of pages, how many digits do you have to have, and then expand that so you can get some bounds on it, and then try to calculate it more precisely. Alrighty then, so let's take the advice and the hint and let's just check. So for the first 9 pages, we see that we're only going to use 9 digits. So we get 9 digits. Next, let's check from like 10 to 19. You can think about this in 2 ways. Either you can think about this as you use all the 9 digits from before, plus 1 for having the 10th, the 0th term, and then you add the 10 digits from that, so that will give you 20. Alternatively, you can say, hey, we have 10 numbers here from 10 to 19, but each of them uses 2 digits, so that's how you get 20. And so with the fact that this is a 1 is not going to change anything, so you can combine these 2 facts to get that from 1 to 100 is the same as the first 1 to 9 plus 9 copies of the 10 to 19. Actually, rather, this is not, I say 1 to 100, but it should be 1 to 99. So getting from 1 to 99, we see that we get 9 copies of the 10 to 19. So for instance, 10 to 19 up to 90 to 99. 9 of those will give you 180, plus the original 9 gives you 189 digits. So clearly this is it has more than 99 pages, and probably more than 100 too. So let's try to check for the 1 to 999 range, all the 3-digit numbers. Well, we know everything from 1 to 99, so now let's check 3-digit cases. What about from 100 to 199? Well, in the same way as before, we see that each of these has there are 100 numbers here, so 0, 1, 2, 3, all up to 99, and each of them uses 3 digits. So this, in total, uses 300 digits. So to check 1 to 99, we need 9 copies of this, plus original 189, so that will give us, if you check your calculator, give you 300 times 9 plus 189, it's give you 2,889. Therefore, we have fewer than 1,000 pages in our book. Great. It looks like we're kind of close to half, a little over half. So we can check this more precisely. We say that if we start with 189, let's find the hundreds place. So let's add 300s. So if we add 300s, and we keep going, the closest we get without going over is 1,689 digits. And you can check that happens at 599 pages. And so if we add another 300 to this, we'll be at 1989, which is too big. So we'll be over by, so we do not have more than 699 pages. So we're between 599 and 699 pages. The way we can check this now is we say, hey, well, if we've used 1689 up to 599, and we need to use 1890 digits, how many do we have left? Well, let's check. 1890 minus 1689 will give you 201 digits. So you need to use 201 digits. I'll note that these are all going to be 3-digit. Each of these page numbers is going to have 3 digits in it. Namely, it's going to be 600, 601, so on and so forth. So if you divide by 3, you'll get that you have 67 more pages to number after 599. By 599 plus 67 will give you 666 pages to number in total. Therefore, you say that the volume has 666 pages. With that, thank you for watching.